Drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly.
Top 10 health issues caused by tobacco smoking. Smoking cigarettes will kill you, but before you die, you could experience some pretty terrible disease and the health condition from smoking. Here are some of the most gruesome diseases caused by smoking. First, lung cancer. More people die from lung cancer than any other type of cancer. Cigarette smoking is the number one risk factor for lung cancer. It's responsible for 87% of lung cancer deaths. Your chance of still being alive 5 years after being diagnosed is less than 1 in 5. Second, heart disease. People who smoke are 4 times as likely to develop heart disease than those who do not. Nicotine in the cigarettes reduces the amount of oxygen your heart gets and also raises your heart rate, putting more stress on your heart. 1 in 5 deaths from heart disease are related directly to smoking. Third, diabetes. You are more likely to get type 2 diabetes if you smoke. The risk of developing type 2 diabetes is 30 to 40% higher for smokers than non-smokers. Additionally, smoking increases the risk of complication when diagnosed with diabetes, such as a heart and a kidney disease, poor blood flow to legs and feet, which lead to infection and possible amputation, blindness, and the nerve damage. Fourth, tuberculosis. Smoking and tuberculosis is a dangerous combination. Smoking increases the risk of contracting tuberculosis, increases the risk of recurrent TB, and impairs the response to treatment of the disease. Despite evidence showing these harmful links between tobacco and TB, many European patients continue to smoke. Fifth, stroke. Because smoking affects your arteries, it can trigger stroke. A stroke happens when the blood supply to your brain is temporarily blocked. Brain cells are deprived of oxygen and start to die. A stroke can cause paralysis, slurred speech, altered brain function, and death. Stroke is the 5th leading cause of death in the United States, a leading cause of adult disability. 6th, asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disease that makes it harder to move air in out of your lungs, otherwise known as a breathing. Because cigarette smoke irritates air passages, it can trigger sudden and severe asthma attacks. Asthma is a serious health condition that affects close to 25 million Americans. Smoking only makes it worse. 7th, ectopic pregnancy. According to the scientists, a chemical in the cigarettes smoke has been found to cause a reaction which can lead to ectopic pregnancies. Smoking can cause the tube to rupture and lead to internal bleeding and fertility problem. 8. Vision loss. Smoking has long been known to cause heart disease and lung cancer. However, many people don't realize that smoking can lead to vision loss. Studies show smoking increases the risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetes retinopathy and the dry eye syndrome. 9th, premature low birth weight babies. The effect of smoking not only impacts mom's health but also that of her baby. Smoking while pregnancy can cause babies to be born prematurely and or with a low birth weight. Babies born too early or too small have an increased risk of health complication and even death. 10th, over 10 other types of cancer including colon, cervix, liver, stomach and pancreatic cancer, basically all the cancers. For both cancer patients and the survivors, those who smoke are more likely to develop a second primary cancer. And now we know that smoking causes at least a dozen cancers, including liver and colorectal, and reduces the survival rates for prostate cancer patients.